Hey everybody, it's me Richard. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make sushi. So you get the nori, then use this with water and vinegar to dip it on your hands and make sure that all those are not too much. So you get some rice, put on a nori sheet, and you put those just like here. 我也在弄这个视频怎么做寿司好吗？别打扰我。Okay. Sorry about that, guys. So my mom was just like talking to me. What was I doing? I was just making sushi, you know. So anyway, I'm just gonna make some sushi. So okay, even though I know this, so you're gonna make sure that all those sushi there. If you see, this is sushi that's like this crust. You can add extra toppings, like you can put cucumber. You squeeze that in the middle, put it in the middle. Then don't forget your bamboo mat. And you're just gonna roll it up. So you're gonna just roll it up one by one, slowly. Just taking my finger there. And also there. Now you have a roll of sushi. So make sure to do this. Push the rice back in. Plus, also you need a knife. Cut it in 8 pieces. So if you're a beginner, if you don't want to cut 8 pieces, you have to cut like 6 pieces, like there and there. 8 pieces, you can do it in the middle, left, and right. Alright. If the sushi is messed up again, you can use your bamboo mat to reshape it. So since you want to cut the sushi, like I'm just gonna do something on YouTube, so I just want to post this on Instagram or YouTube, so I can reshape this again. So And also, here, you have it. This is the 8-piece sushi that I just taught you guys how to make it. So, leave a like, or share this to a friend. This is the homemade sushi I made, so have a good day, guys. So, I will see you on the next video for YouTube. And also I have a TikTok, Instagram, and everybody could follow me.